Hey guys, this is Wally from Impulse Labs. We get a lot of questions about how is the Impulse Cooktop different from other induction. Well, one of those ways is the amount of power we can put into an individual burner. The Impulse Cooktop has a 3 kilowatt-hour integrated battery that can drop 10 kilowatts of power to any individual burner. That's about 3 times more than you can find on any other induction or gas cooktop. So we're going to do a little experiment to see what does that mean in the real world. I have 3 all-clad stainless steel pots, and we're going to do a boil-off with 10 cups of water and see how the Impulse Cooktop compares to an Ikea induction cooktop with a 3.6 kilowatt power boost burner, and how it compares to the Copper Charlie range with a 2.8 kilowatt power boost burner. Here's 8 cups of water. And another 2 and change. Let's look at the temperature on this. Looks like it is about 64.6 degrees Fahrenheit. I'm gonna turn the burner on to 10 kilowatts and start the timer. Immediately getting some small bubbles and hearing that water react. Typically 10 cups of water on the Impulse Cooktop will take between 1 minute 20 and 1 minute 30 seconds or so. We're getting some bubbles popping up to the top at 30. And the active temperature sensor thinks that the pan is at about 156 degrees Fahrenheit. We're approaching a simmer here at 45. All right, we're right about to have a boil here. And we're boiling here at 1 minute 32. 3 times as long as Impulse, and we're still below 200 degrees, not boiling. All right, we got a light boil here. 5 minutes, 15 seconds. And fairly vigorous boil now at like 5:30. Looks like boost mode turned off on Copper. Maybe they only let you do that for a few minutes. All right, so it's been 4 times as long as Impulse, and we're just crossing 200 degrees here. We'll see how much longer this takes on Copper. We're approaching a simmer here around 6:30. Gentle boil at 650, just shy of 7. All right, I'd say we got a boil here at 7 minutes.